Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you've been here before, welcome back. And if you're new here, welcome. My name is Meryl. And today I'm going to show you guys how I wax my eyebrows. So I do them at home by myself. I learned in cosmetology school that I took in tech school and high school. And I also learned when I went to Paul Mitchell for cosmetology to get my license. So it's super easy to do. I hope you guys find this tutorial very helpful. And especially if you're not a licensed cosmetologist, I think I walk it through pretty easily, so you guys can find a nice way to do it to just be able to do it whenever you want and not have to worry about going to somewhere to get it done and worrying about them messing it up or something. So normally I wax them thinner, but then I just draw them in a little bit just to add some depth and things like that, just because I over tweezed when I was younger. So they're not as full as they used to be, but it's fine because I just, like I said, draw them in a little bit. So yeah, this is after I did it, so I'm going to show you guys how I did this and hope you guys enjoy. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to grab a brow brush. This is just an Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pencil. And I'm just going to take this and I'm going to brush my brows upward so I can trim those hairs in the front. Also just anywhere along the middle and end. So they're not as long. So I'll do that first. So I'm just gonna take a pair of cuticle scissors. These literally look like the scissors from Us. So every time I see them, I'm like, if you guys haven't seen that movie, I highly recommend it, but it is pretty creepy. So anyway, so I'm gonna do this real quick. So I'm just gonna take a mirror and like I said, I'm just going to trim. So I'm just gonna trim them across. Sometimes you need to brush a little bit more because they're not gonna want to stay where you want them. Or you can brush downward too, you'd be surprised. I think that's good. So now we'll do this side. So I'm done with that part now. And the next part is I'm going to just grab a eyeliner. This one, I don't even know, it's by Ulta. I just use this to kind of draw out the kind of shape I want to go for. I purposely grew my brows out way longer than I should have. I don't know the last time I waxed them. Honestly, just because I wanted them to be perfect this time. I mean, as perfect as they can be. This brow is always going to be lower than this one. I don't know, I might have to get some like Botox or something one day to kind of even them out. I think it's just my muscle here is like more relaxed for some reason. But anyway, so I want to get them almost the same shape as much as I can because remember, brows are going to be sisters, not twins. So now I'm just going to draw out where I want my brow to start. So a good like old rule of thumb is if you line up the side of your nose and take that pencil straight down, that's where your brow should start. So I know that anything, anything to the left over here in the middle, that part I can wax. The part where I want my arch to start, I'm going to take this eyeliner pencil and take it from the edge of my nose and look straight ahead, and where my pupil ends, that's where I'm going to start my that's where I'm going to start my arch. And the end of my brow should come in line with the end of my eye and my nose. So same thing on this side. Straight up and down, right here. Looking straight ahead. It's hard to do with lashes on. Ooh. Right here. And then right here. So that's what that looks like. So I mapped them out. Okay, so one thing I will say, it's not always necessary to wax the top of your eyebrows if you already have like pretty much no hair there, or it already creates a good shape. Leave it alone. You don't want to like over wax or tweeze. But I do have some like weird hairs that grow here. Also my hairline likes to come down a little bit further, so I always wax this too. But we'll go ahead and just go to Sally's and get some like popsicle stick things. They have thinner ones too for your brows that are probably better, but I've always used the thicker popsicle sticks and I've never had a problem. By thick I mean like this size, I don't mean like the huge popsicle sticks. So I just get these. Okay. And I use muslin, muslin strips. These are like a cloth texture, and I really like how these work with the soft wax versus the more like foam kind of texture ones. I don't know what they're called, but I like these a lot better. So I've always used these. Oh, here they are. I have a couple left. So these are what the other ones look like. These are like your normal everyday wax strip. I can't explain it. It's still a cloth, but I like the muslin ones better. I feel like it grips the hair better. Okay, so I use the GG wax, soft wax, and I just got literally everything at Sally's. I've always gotten it there. I use their wax warmer as well, and all I do is I dip this into the wax, and since my wax warmer is not controlled heat, which means it just heats up to one temperature, it doesn't have low, medium, or high, I let it cool off a little bit before I apply it. The biggest thing when applying the wax is you want to go in the direction of the hair growth. So if my hair is growing this way, I'm going to put it this. So you go in the direction of the hair growth like this, and then you just wait a second, put the strip on there, and you pull in the opposite direction of the hair growth. So I'll show you guys how that looks. So I'm going to press this down. I'm going to run my finger over it just a couple times like that. Pull my skin taut so that way it's not, my skin isn't loose, I'm just tightening it up a little bit, and then pull back. Okay, part one is done. And I'm just going to do the rest of my, I like this, so I'll just fast forward, but you guys can see what it looks like obviously. You can even take like a thinner side of it, so you don't use the whole applicator on there. Nothing's gonna hurt. Okay, so I'm done with the waxing portion now, and I'm going to use Clean and Easy Professional Remove. It says post-wax remover. So this is going to remove any excess wax on my skin. I'm just going to use a cotton round, so that way I can go in and tweeze wherever I need to touch up. Bit red after. If you've ever been waxed, you know that always happens. Now I'm just gonna go into my tweezers and just touch up anywhere I need to. Alright guys, so this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you found this helpful, and I'll include all the products I used today down below. Also, I want to let you know that you should definitely cleanse your face first just to remove any makeup and things like that. I would also recommend to use like a pre-epilation cleanser as well, just to get that area all prepared for the waxing, and then make sure you get a post-wax like extra wax remover, and I'll show you guys that during the video. I also recommend getting it done before your lash extensions, not after. after, especially if it's the same day. Also try to avoid going to the tanning bed or being out in the sun is the same day as you got waxed, just because it's sensitive and you want to give it some time to rest. I also usually do this at nighttime when I'm not going to put makeup on or anything, so that way my skin can really breathe and I don't irritate it, because obviously I just pulled a whole bunch of hairs out. So I just, like I said, don't want to irritate it anymore. And if you have any questions about anything, please comment down below. And I would love it if you guys haven't already, if you subscribe to my channel so you can see all of my videos. And also give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!